welcome back to Kitty Kitty Meow Meow. Today I will be showing you some slime my friend gave me, so I'll be giving her a shout out. So one of the first slime she gave me, which I'm playing with right now, is this maroon. See if it'll show up. Maroon, and there's some sparkles in there, and I love it. It's so fun. Okay, let me go down. This is really nice slime, and Claudia originally made me some stuff here, but it's really gooey. This stuff is just fluffy, so I like it better. Then I'll put that to the side. She gave me a light blue one with some foam beads. It's really nice. This is probably my favorite one. So I'm just going to close it. And she gave me one just like that, but it is maroon with little beads and big beads. Now this one is pretty nice. I have this dark blue one with glitter, which is nice, which I'm not going to take out of the bag because I put lotion in it, and so it needs to set right now. She gave me this big bag of, well, it's turning out like a really light blue, but this is like a neon blue. And I'm not going to take it out because I just put lotion on this one. And she put a lot of it on. And last but not least is pull it out. This one is like a cyan, whatever you call it, color, and cyan blue. It's kind of like a really light bluish grayish. That's what I call it. It's really nice. And if we can get, since my YouTube channel isn't big yet, if we can get, I'm going to do a slime smoothie if I can get at least 10 likes. Yeah, we have to get 10 likes, and then I'll do slime smoothie. Okay, so see you later, and bye.